What's up guys, this is your boy Kaustubh from T2E, and today as per the drill, I will be featuring top 5 apps for the month of April 2020. All the links to the app mentioned in the video has been given in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. So the first app on the list is PowerShade, and basically it is an advanced notification panel customizer. So when you open the app, just grant the permissions at first and enable it. It just really gives a new look to your phone. In the app, you have 4 options such as layout, colors of individual tile, and also heads up notification, as well as some extra features too to customize the shade of your phone. The one which I particularly like is the blur effect. It gives a more rich look to the whole UI of our phone. Also, this app is a perfect blend or the demonstration of the beauty of Android, as you can customize to the max. So it is definitely worth checking out. Link is in the description below. Second app on the list is USB Locket. As going by the name, does what it says, literally puts a pin on your USB drive. And this feature of locking works on almost all operating systems. If you connect it to Windows, then it has a separate client through which only you have to unlock the drive and then access your files. So if you are really concerned about your data and the security about it, and you want to feel more secure about it, then you should definitely try out this app. Third app on the list is Flood Torrent Downloader. It is basically a simple and beautiful BitTorrent client designed for Android. With this, you can directly download a torrent file right on your device. Also, some features I like about this app are the ability to select files to download manually. It also recognizes magnet links from the browser and much more. This app also features Google's material design language, which gives it that minimal look which I adore and makes it quite user friendly too. So it's worth definitely checking out. Fourth app on the list is Halo. The name is a bit weird, but essentially it is a blue light filter with a lot of customization built into it. The app lets you adjust the intensity and brightness of the filter as per your liking. Also, the main highlight point is the color tones that you can apply to make it more comfortable viewing experience for your eyes in dark places. Also, it has a handy scheduler to turn it on or off accordingly, so it's definitely a good app to check out if you use your phone during the night times a lot. Last but not the list is Super Backup and Restore. Many of you might be knowing the app if you have ever formatted or flashed a ROM on your device. As the name suggests, essentially it is a backup and restore tool. You can back up applications, contact, text messages, call history, bookmarks, calendar to your SD card, Gmail or Google Drive for that matter. All features are pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna dive in each of them. So it is an app you should definitely check out if you are lazy enough to back up manually. So that's how it wraps it up for this video guys. So this was your boy Kaustubh from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.